there are times when you lose your troubled mind. Suppose there are times when you're feeling fine. Suppose there are days when you call this touch of gray. That's when you call me and know just what to say. We go out and on the night. We jump and touch the light. We dance and we don't sleep until we die. We don't have to worry. Drink up the night early. Keep dancing, dancing, dancing for the ride.
Alright, hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm ready to go. The time is around 7:30 in the morning right now. I'm all set. I'm carrying the top box, and in the low I'm carrying a few extra pair of clothes and drone and cameras and stuff, and a few other accessories here as well. So basically what BMW does is every year is this BMW GS experience event, where they train the GS owners on how to ride this motorcycle, especially with the technique of off-roading, and not just that, a few other balancing techniques and skill set improvement on riding this particular motorcycle. So I'm going to do that today as well. I mean, I was keen and looking forward to do this event. I mean, participate in this event. So let's get going, guys. Alright, so this is the most interesting part. I'm wearing the complete gear today, where the riding pant, the jacket, the gloves, and the helmet, and the riding boots. So it is going to be interesting. And one more thing, if you have noticed, I've changed the windscreen to my original windscreen, so that it is more suited for off-roading today. And yeah, even my secondary GoPro camera is ready. So let's start this off. Wow, what a beautiful morning. Yeah, there's no sun out, it's cloudy, it's kind of, the weather is chill. Let me check the outer temperature. Okay, the outside temperature is around 24 degrees, which is kind of beautiful. If it goes beyond 28 and if it touches around 30, then it is a problem. Wow, it is surreal that I'm all geared up today. The wind noise, I believe it might have increased a bit, endukante helmet mida wind baane daaktundi. I can notice that. I mean, intakundu na longer windshield MRA Vario type thing, it used to deflect the wind pretty good, man, pretty good. And now I can definitely feel that wind over here under the helmet and going into the helmet. The green color. Wow, looks beautiful. You just tuck down and rip it open. Oh god. Nice, right? Whoa, saddling is fun. Good thing is that it's there's no rain, and yeah, it's a dry surface. If it would have been wet, it would have been a big problem. All kichad would have been making a big problem. So I'll have to take it real slow, man. Where am I stopping? Yeah. Wow, the session is already going on. That left the engine on. Hi.
Doing the GS experience, right?
Yeah.
You're going to drive it. Sticker that. Mirrors bhi nikal aaye.
Sure.
Mirrors and top boxes.
You guys are, I'm sure everyone is having full riding gear, but just in case, if you feel there are few things missing, you can let me know. I will not be able to do anything, I will not be able to help you, but in case when I ask you to do certain exercises, I will keep that in mind to give you certain specific inputs.
Alright, now I got you.
Yes,
Please explain the things on my bike because I have only two modes, road and rain.
road and rain. You'll
That's
ride
it.
on road mode. That's
Okay,
it.
that's it.
That's it.
Traction control and ABS,
Don't worry.
turn it off or turn it on?
As is.
As is.
Only in the last exercise I will tell you specifically.
Okay,
We are not going to do anything extreme.
okay. So starting off cool.
Yeah.
Alright, so that was Shanawaz. And here's the trainer for the day. And yeah, man, what an energy this guy has. And yes, oh, look at him, easily crawling, standing up. And these are the lineup for the day. We've got almost 15 bikes today, and from that I believe 3 are 850s, and apart from that all are 1250s. Shanawaz is ready, trainer for the day. And wow, what a lineup. If you can see here, there goes the first bike is already there, and this is the second bike. And yeah, so that's the 850 GS. And okay, so let's take a short spin, and then I'll come back and said bye. And so this is the first exercise that we're doing, just taking the warm-up laps. So I don't have to worry about gear changes because for the first round, we've just been told that it's just the first gear. You don't have to go into second gear for all this training part. Okay, so it's taking few laps here. Alright, so kind of exercise where we lift the legs. Alright, so this is something new. The bike's just crawling. It's not, I'm not giving any throttle here. Just a slight bit of throttle. Okay, so we have 2 legs up right now. It is to make ourselves comfortable with the bike. That is the reason we are doing this exercise. So a few things that we have to remember here is keeping 2 fingers on the clutch and on the brake. 1 is enough, or 2 maybe. Yeah, pretty much crawling.
Motorcycle suddenly became really slow. Yes. Right? Because you had the 13 km per hour speed, just to the default speed, idling speed. Now one thing which I want you all to do, and this time keep some distance amongst each one of you, is these are 4 straights. This straight, that straight, that one, and this one. These are 4 straights that you have. I want each one of you, whenever you are going here till that point, at that point of time, I want you to be in that same gear, first gear, okay, without using the brakes. You will speed up and slow down.
Okay, so that's one of the other exercises, and to get full control of the throttle response and clutch response, we are doing this exercise where we are not on the bike, we are standing beside the bike and trying to crawl it. So this will be a fun exercise, I will say. Fun and a little bit dangerous, I would say. So we're not giving throttle, we're just crawling with the bike. Okay, it's kind of okay. I have 2 fingers on my clutch. I'm not using any brake at all, so it's the clutch movement which is controlling my speed here. I mean, that is what I've been told. Okay,
I'm sorry.
full control, huh? Right, let me tell you one of the facts, guys. That's Thala Ajith on his BMW R250 GS.
No grip,
Fanboy moment.
only clutch. No brakes, no acceleration. Probably for the 850, slight acceleration is required,
Yeah.
but still clutch. Okay. What is happening? He's 2 behind.
2 behind, okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Slow down.
Suppose there are days when the colors touch a gray.
Little faster.
Exactly. Slow.
That's when you call
Slow.
me and know just what to say. We go out and on the night. We jump and touch the light. We dance and we don't sleep until we die. We don't have to worry. Drink up the nights early. Keep dancing, dancing till the running right.
Okay. Exactly. Exactly. Why you are not going wider? Exactly. Okay. Can we do that?
Alright guys, so this is my second run. How is it? Is it difficult? Chesava? Chesava?
Yeah, I did one. This is second round. You didn't do?
Yeah. How is it? I mean, difficulty level at all. Chilla?
Going slower. Slow.
Okay, okay.
If you're about to fall, release the clutch. That's it. Nothing else is required.
The hell? पूरा मिस कर दिया. Right, the difficulty level is too high, man. Isn't that portion like too squeezed in, or is it evenly distributed?
नहीं अरे अरे
वहाँ पे this fourth and fifth, I was like, I completely went in.
That's because you entered fast.
Yeah, this part, this portion.
You entered fast.
Okay. Wow. Ajit sir. Okay.
Slow. Yes. But much better body position. Very nice. Yes.
Beautiful. Wow. Okay, this is level 2 of this crisscross training, and this is definitely difficulty level is 2 up.
Look ahead.
Yeah, this is a portion where everybody is missing it. This is everybody is missing here. Everybody is missing here.
That is because they're entering fast.
Okay.
You can still compensate over there. You can't compensate at the later ones. वो इतना इंच आगे बढ़ता जाएगा. It's compounding effect. Look ahead. बस.
Okay.
Okay, the third way.
Let me try the
First way. ठीक है.
sit on the bike.
Relax.
Relax. Take a deep breath.
थोड़ा और बट को नीचे लाना.
Okay.
और नीचे. हाँ. Now keep your hands straight, back straight. Look ahead. I will just support you.
Okay. Wonderful.
Hip.
Alright, let's do it once again, guys. It is difficult, but it is not impossible. I'll try and do it. Whoa. Oh, it didn't happen. I missed the cone. Okay.